First, you need to charge power. Then waiting the doorbell power on. You will hear music. Then download our app. Use this one to press the pair button.
Pairing.
And then add here. If here cannot add device, you need go back your phone setting, Wi-Fi setting, to find this one. This doorbell hotspot Wi-Fi. This doorbell hotspot Wi-Fi is this one. Idle phone 011195. Connected. It is connected. So we need go back here.
Pairing success.
And add device, and pairing is successful. It's not finished. We need open here and then touch here to choose our home Wi-Fi, like this one. Now it's changed the Wi-Fi. The doorbell is connected to the Wi-Fi, and it will be off live.
Password setting correct.
Now it's okay. Refresh this one. It's so online. Yeah, you can control now. And after pairing successful, this button right is show you blue. And you press here, and you will receive the notification of calling. Now it's successful.